Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your target location on the Target app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your local target. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on the bottom right hand corner where it says My Target. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and then you're going to see where it says My Store. Click on Change. So here's where you can enter your zip code, city, or state, and it's going to be able to show you nearby targets within the same area. So simply just select your target of choice and then click on Save, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your target location on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.